Hello, Clear Brown, North Dallas. Finishing up the 2019 Stingray. Full wrap, all the edges, and what I'm going to do is show you the roof, the removable hardtop. So this is all done in one piece. There are pieces that seam, and there are pieces that go over. I do this from a bulk piece of film. Keep in mind, no cutting on the car. Everything is wrapped around the edge and then trimmed off of the edge. So what I'm going to show you here is this is all wrapped already. So it's one continuous piece. You seriously don't even know the piece is done, and that's the way it should be done. I'm just working on it, so excuse the watermarks. But what I'm trying to do is show this back side. This is the last piece I've got left. So it's all wrapped all the way down to the edge where it snaps into the vehicle. But here's your back side. So as I come around, I'm gonna secure this edge down here, and then I'm gonna come around and just trim it along that edge so you have a seamless, perfect look for this top. No seams on top. Everything just looks fantastic. So there you go. For those of you who've never seen this procedure, that is a fully wrapped top with no seams on top, and these channels and all the way around the front. So a nice clean look. Comes off the car. We put it on our 10-foot table for the PPF and tint, and we just do it all by hand. So there you go, folks. If you're looking for that perfect install, give us a call. We'd be happy to talk to you about it and see what we can do for you. So Clear Brown, North Dallas, 2019 Stingray, last of its generation, and just getting ready to finish this up. We got the roof and the front bumper, and then we're done. So thank you for watching. Any questions, please let me know. Clear Brown, North Dallas.